Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Modem Marauder, back at again with another video. In today's video, we're going to do a video on the E46. Now, this is a video for you guys, well, not just for the E46, for anyone who has a car that's old or they ride their bike all the time and they don't usually ride their cars, so the battery is usually dead. So in this video, we're going to be talking about this, the Noco GB40 battery starter. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago for the E46 because it has a weak battery or a bad alternator. I don't know which one it is, but because of that the battery will die every so often if I don't use the car that much, which happens a lot. So I ended up carrying this just in case as a backup, in case the battery does die while I'm out with the car. So we're going to be reviewing this and I'm going to explain to you guys what comes along with this. Now we're in the back of the car in the trunk. Now excuse all the other stuff in here, I carry a lot of different things so the car doesn't, just in case I need them, because the inflator for the tires, because it does leak air, the jumper cables in case it dies, but now I don't need those because we have this. Now inside the box you get a carrying case and the stuff that's inside it right now. One is the actual battery starter itself. I picked this entire thing up from Home Depot for about 120 bucks on sale a few weeks ago. So it comes with this. Inside it comes with the carrying case, a USB cable to charge it, or to charge your phone or any other device, because it can charge those as well. Comes with the cables themselves. I'll show you how to use those. And also comes with this USB outlet to recharge this in your car afterwards if you need it, or to recharge many other things. I haven't used this yet, so it's still in its packaging, and it all comes in this carrying case. Going on to this, comes with lights. You plug in the cables in this 12-volt outlet right here, and in here you have a USB in and a USB out, so you can charge devices or charge this via the USB cables itself. You take the ports and plug it in right there. Make sure they match up. The thing's completely off right now. Alright, have that, the whole thing's off right now. Alright, so the Noco GB40 can jumpstart a car that has a battery that has a low voltage up to 2 volts. Once it's below 2 volts and the battery is completely dead, it cannot start up. So for example, the E46 battery right now is completely dead, so it won't start up. It can power on, but it won't detect the battery. Basically, once you connect it, you connect the positive cable to the positive on the battery, negative to the negative, and then you just press the power button. This lights up to show the battery range right now, and the boost signal right here will also light up a white LED. Once that's on, you can start to boost your car or your bike or whatever. However, if the battery is completely dead, then this won't help at all. It can boost a car that has a battery of a low voltage up to like right until 2 volts, but afterwards when the battery is completely dead, it's completely dead. So this thing is nice to have as an emergency thing if your car is weak or it's a low battery, or on your bike. I'm gonna carry this on my bike too. It's not that heavy either, and it's a portable battery charger as well to charge up my devices in case I need them in an emergency. Comes with a flashlight too. Power this on. It's powered on, so that lights up. See that? Flashlights in different modes. So in case of an emergency, this will come in very handy. And you can charge it from over here. And honestly, it's a good, nice thing to have in case of an emergency. It is not too heavy, not too bulky. It's nice and compact. You can carry it in your car, you can carry it in your backpack, and it's a good thing to have. I've used this on the E46 a couple times, but right now the battery's completely dead, so I can't use this at all. But even on the bike, if it has a low battery, I can use this to jumpstart it in case of an emergency, so I don't have to use jumper cables like those ones, but I can't carry out in my backpack on the bike. So there have been a couple times where the battery died, as you guys seen before in my previous videos, where the battery was very weak, and this would have come in handy to jumpstart it instead of using a car, which people say is a bad idea. So get yourself one of these in case of an emergency. You never know when you'll need it. They aren't that expensive. It's a good gift if you want to give it to anyone over the Christmas, the holidays, the birthday or whatever. Or if you just want it for yourself, they go on sale. You can get them off of Amazon, you can get them off of eBay or Home Depot, the Canadian Tire. It's a good thing to have. I was very reluctant on getting one, but once I started to daily drive the E46 a bit more, I was like, I should probably get one of these, because there have been times where I felt the battery was good, but it was really weak or just died on me, and I needed to call for backup to help me boost the car with the jumper cables. So get yourself a Noco Boost Plus. It'll come in handy. All right. And that's today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. The Noco Boost Plus, there's many different ones with more voltage than this. This one's like the most low budget one, I believe. I think you can't get anyone that's less powerful as this one. This fits all my needs for the E46 and the Marauder itself. So I got this one. I don't have to pay for more. Why should I pay for more, right? So with that, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all in the next video. All right, see ya.